Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cut out two objects from one image. So in my example, we have this nice mountain range. Now what I want to do is cut these skies out from these mountains. So we're going to be doing that by using the pen tool right here. So make sure when you're using the pen tool, you have it on path. And make sure that you rasterize your layer. Right click on it. As rasterize layer. Now, what you want to do is highlight this whole object. You just want to go smooth along it, and since I don't want this to be here, I'm not going to highlight this. So, let's get started. Now, as you see here, I'm done outlining the outline. Now, what you want to do is go to the edge of the image, click right here, go right here, the other edge, and connect. Then you'll see a circle. There's a tiny bit circle next to the pencil, and that means the whole shape is connected. Now what you want to do is press on selection. And did I do the wrong thing? I think I did the wrong thing. Oh god. I did something wrong. Oh wait, no. Make selection. Sorry guys. And this is not visible for you because it showed up on my other screen, so I'm sorry. So you want to put anti-alias on, and the feather radius, I'll just keep it at 3. I'm going to press OK. Now it's all highlighted. Now what you want to do is make a new layer, and then Control C and Control V. Selected areas. Oh yeah, you want to Control C in this layer right there. Control C, Control V. Oh wait, you don't want to do Control V. You just want to do Control C and Control V right here. And done. Now you see those edges? Now what you can do is get the blur tool and blur it out. Those edges will then get blurred out. And I mean, if you want a jagged image, it doesn't look good. It does look like it's very edited. So yeah, this is the short tutorial on how to edit stuff out. Now this doesn't have to be what I'm editing. This could be anything. But I hope you get the idea. Bye!